The American Gelbvieh Association Registry Service has a simple animal search option allowing you to quickly look up information on the animal's pedigree, EPDs, performance data, ownership, and so much more. To access the animal search on the registry service, first go to the Gelbvieh homepage at www.gelbvieh.org. Any internet browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Chrome, etc. will work to access the AGA registry service. In the upper right-hand corner of the Gelbvieh homepage, click on the banner that says Animal and Member Search. You are now on the American Gelbvieh Association registry service. To make the screen bigger or smaller, use keyboard shortcuts. If you are using a PC, Control+ makes it bigger, and Control- will make the screen smaller. If you are on a Mac, use Command+ or Command-. To search an animal, you will use the animal search on the right-hand side of the screen. From the animal search tool, you can find an animal by searching by sex, bulls, females, or both, registration number, tattoo, name, or EID. You will need to select your desired search option, which can be done by clicking on the appropriate radio button next to that search option. Then, key in your search criteria in the search value box. The final step is clicking on the search button at the bottom of the animal search portion of the page. You must click the button in order to start the search. If you hit enter, you will get a dialog box that says you need to click the button. If you get this box, just hit OK and click the search button. To search by a registration number, select the registration number radio button, then key in the animal's number into the search value. For AMGV animals, you can enter the AMGV before the registration number, or you can simply just enter the registration number and click search. Once you have clicked the button, the results show up below. Clicking the red registration number will take you to the animal detail screen. The animal detail screen will be explained in a separate tutorial. Remember, you can always click the homepage button at the top of the screen to get back to the search tools. For non-AMGV animals, you will need to enter the 4-letter breed code in front of the registration number. An Angus animal would need an AM-AN before the number. Red Angus is AM-AR. Simmental is AM-SM. For example, when looking up an Angus animal by registration number, key in AM-AN and then the registration number. Once you have keyed this into the search value box, click Search. To search by tattoo, click the Tattoo radio button. It is important to note that you must select the appropriate search field radio button for each desired search option in order to complete the search. Enter an animal's prefix and tattoo in the search value, either with a space or no space. Both options work, and then click the Search by Tattoo. And our result has popped up. Let's say you wanted to search for all the animals born to a particular ranch. You can do this by entering the herd prefix and the %sign. The % is the wildcard character. This will look for anything that contains the characters entered. For example, select the tattoo search field. Then in the search value, enter TNDR and the %sign. Or you can also enter TNDR space %sign. This brings up a list of all animals in the registry with the TNDR prefix. Now, What if you want to narrow your search down to just those animals born in 1 year with the same prefix? You can easily do that as well using the tattoo search field. Enter TNDR %A%. This letter represents the international year code that can be found on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you click search, a list of 2013 born calves with the TNDR prefix comes up. Again, in this case, spaces in the search value field do not matter. You can also search by name. Click on the name in the search field section, enter your desired search value, and then click search. The more information you enter in the search value, the more specific your search will be. Remember that the prefix is not considered part of the name. If I enter SLC Freedom 178F and click search, no results pop up. But if I get rid of the prefix and just do the animal's name, there are 6 animals matching that criteria. Let's say we want to look for a female with the word Annie in the name. At the top, select the Females Radio button, then select the Name button. Now key in Annie into the search value. This brings up a long list of 570 animals with Annie in their name. If we narrow down that search to just those animals with Annie Oakley in the name, we get a much shorter list. Take a look at the list results for Annie Oakley. You can sort this list by clicking on any of the red headers at the top of the list. Clicking on the birth date header will sort the list from oldest to youngest. We can also sort this by tattoo, prefix, and registration number. Thank you for watching this AGA Registry Service tutorial on the Animal Search tool. For more tutorials, visit the Registry Service Tutorials page under the Education Center tab at gilvey.org.